Human Fitness. We're here at the Hotel of Coronado. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We've got the G-Fit bands. Hopefully you've got your G-Fit bands on you as well. I've got mine right above my knees. I'm just gonna carefully stand securely on my left side, bring my right up, like so, just hold it there, and then I'm gonna kick out for 50. So as I'm doing this 50, if you guys need to, you can hold on to a wall, chair, whatever you want. If you fall out, lose your balance, just come back in. Now, don't lock your knee when you come up, but also don't just kind of wiggle in and out. You want to get a nice range of motion. You want to get these quads burning, and then that standing leg, you're using the hamstrings, you're using the quads, the calf muscles even, abs. So right here on this leg, and then right here, you don't want to lower, and then you have no tension. Bring it up nice and high as you can. Stand tall and keep pressing. Just 50 on each side. And press, and press. My foot is flexed, it's not pointed. I flex that toe. Woo! Oh, see, now I lost my belt, so that's where it's okay. I just want you to gain control again, come back in, refocus. But again, like I said, you can hold a wall or a chair or whatever. If you're out here like I am, you can go to a rock. Oh, and finish. Okay, so catch your breath, maybe just stretch it out a little bit here. And then everyone knows how to do it out here on the beach. They're either exercising, building a sandcastle, fishing, going for a walk. And you are doing the challenge, so I'm proud of you because you're moving to wherever you are and you're joining me. So I'm stoked. I'm excited about that. Let's go ahead and switch sides, get stable, bring it up, lift. This is my challenge side for balance, and press for just 50. Burn those quads out. Feels good. It's gonna feel so good afterwards. So don't cheat. Don't give up. Don't give in. It's such a tiny little challenge. I know it's big for some people that would be doing the challenge, but just think one step at a time, one day at a time. So it's a small challenge, it's not a full workout, it's just one exercise. You do 100 reps, so 50 on each side. If we're doing 2 legs, 2 arms, and we press, hang in there, press it in, press it out. We're almost there, you guys, until tomorrow's challenge. And we've only got a few more left. Woo, woo, I'm feeling it. Ah! Oh, okay, hold on. Just a few more left, but I want to get strong with you. So regain control, get that focus, and press. In, out, done. Nice work. All right, so let's just take a big deep breath in. Good job. All right, I hope to see you tomorrow at the next challenge for our 100's New Year, New You. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Get the link that's in the description below to get your G-Fit bands. It comes with 4 different resistance levels, 4 different colors, and a little bag as well. Do that. Let me know if you've joined the challenge. If you're jumping on late or whatever, because this challenge was made during January, you can do it anytime during the year. Just check out our playlist. It's called New Year, New You. See you soon. Mwah.